Hey, what's up guys, I hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video we will talk about a new feature that I received on my Samsung Galaxy A34. Also we will talk about the One UI 6.1.1 device list in the end of this video. So let's start off with the new feature that I got on my Samsung Galaxy A34. So as we know that Samsung Galaxy A34 just received this new circle to search feature in which you can long press the home button to search anything directly from your screen. And the new update now kicked in, and now you can simply search any song playing in the background with this circle to search feature. Now by long pressing your home button and clicking this icon, you can now identify any song playing in your background area. You just have to long press your home button and then click on this icon, and it will then start recognizing that song. For example, I will quickly play a song in the background and I will click on this icon, and as you can see it has identified the song that was playing in the background. It is a really cool and handy feature if you want to quickly identify the song that was playing in your background, or even the song that was playing in your application. It can identify those. To get this feature, I haven't updated anything on my phone, it just came automatically on my device. And not only on my Samsung Galaxy A34, I received this feature on my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra as well. As you can see over here, the process is same, just simply long press your home button and then click on this icon. By the way, I also received another update of Google Play system update on my Samsung Galaxy A34, as you can see over here. Now, if we talk about the device list of One UI 6.1.1 update, so the One UI 6.1.1 update is currently rolling out on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series, and afterwards it will be released on the S23 series, then Z Fold and Flip 5, and also you will get to see this update on the Samsung's Tab S9 series. For now, only these devices are eligible, but in the near future we might get to see some more devices with this device list. By the way, if you want to check out this new One UI 7 clock application and these new widgets, so do visit the link in the description by which you can get this new application and these widgets that are working properly. And that's a wrap for today's video. Do let me know in the comment section that have you got this new circle to search feature on your device or not yet. Also check out that Google Play system update, and if you are new on this channel, make sure to like and subscribe.